guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I look super crazy today right now, and that's okay because read the title, you already know what this is about to be about. I'm just not gonna talk that long. But this video is sponsored by two companies. So the first company will be Emerald Papaya Hair Care. So that's what I have on my edges right now. I didn't really do a video of me doing my edges because I'm not good at edges, as you can see. I just do the little swoop and that's about it. Of my really first impression of this, I used it. This will be my third time using this, and this is how it looks on the inside. It has zero smell. Like, oh my gosh, you guys, like, it doesn't smell like anything. Like, I hate edge controls that either have like a harsh smell, a chemical smell, or like just any type of scent. I feel like it just has turned me off. But that's just me personally. I just have a problem with scents. If it's not the scent that I like, I'm not going to use the product. I am so sorry. But with this really is really nice. It does not flake at all. Oh my gosh. You know how long I was looking for edge control? First of all, you don't have to tie your hair down. That's number one. For it to set in place or anything. This, I just swooped this like five seconds ago. Like, what? It doesn't flake. It doesn't have to like tie down to dry or whatever the case is. It doesn't have any scent, and it is stronghold, like it says. I could wear this all day and my edges would still be in place, honey. Anyway, so that's on that. And then the next company is Hair to Go 242. So they are a new company, and they sell headband wigs. If you're from my Snapchat, you already know. I had on a headband wig, and so much people was asking me so much questions about it, and now we have someone over here who sells headband wigs. I feel like if you don't know about headband wigs, you've been living under a rock, sweetie. Headband wigs, I wouldn't say they are the new wave, but I noticed like a lot of influencers and stuff are getting into them. They are really easy. It's not like an everyday wig or like, you know, but it could be an everyday wig. It could be a gym wig. It could be any type of wig. Like, it's just so easy and versatile. And yeah, so let's just get into it. Like you've seen on my Snapchat. This is a short curly wig. I love curly hair, and I kind of like short curly hair on myself, particularly bobs. Like, I love like short curly bobs on me. Like, I feel like they just give me like that little look, you know, like especially like running on the side. Yeah, anyway, so this is the headband wig. So it comes with a clip hair. It's just basically like a regular wig, just shortened, because it has a clip hair. It has 4 clips, 1 in the middle, 2 on the side, and then 2 on the back hair. And then it also have a strap where you could adjust it to your head. And then of course it has the headband section, which has a Velcro, which is connected by Velcro. So you just slap it together, and that's how it is. So I have this hair wet a little bit, but not a lot, because I'm going to put some other product on it. As you can see, I basically have on a wig cap because my hair underneath is not braided. My hair doesn't necessarily have to be braided, and especially how this is not like a wig. So that's why I feel this really comes in handy. Just have like a rough ponytail, or like you just don't feel like doing your hair, you just want to go to the gym but you still want to look cute. Like, you could just fling this wig on and then fling a headband on top of it, or you could keep it just like this. And let me stop talking and show you what I mean. So I just have this on, hair not braided. You could braid your hair if you want to. And then I'm just gonna put the back on first, and then I'm gonna pull this forward. Now the thing about this is you could leave out more hair as you desire. I just stopped it right here because my hair needs to perm and it's not cooperating with me right now. So I'm just gonna stick this like right in the front here, and then I'm gonna stick this on the side here, and I'm gonna stick this over here. like that. Isn't that so easy? Like, and you could feel like it's in place, it's tight. This wig ain't going nowhere. Nobody can like yuck this off your head, you know? And my hair is not even braided. No glue, no nothing. So, and I'm just gonna pull this down in the back and make sure everything is covered now. To do the headband piece so I can show you guys, I'm gonna just tie this up like so. I'm gonna tie that up like so. And then basically this is how the back looks. Like no tracks, no nothing. So you basically just take this piece and then you just do it together. You could do it as tight as you want. The Velcro is really long where you could do it as tight as you want. I don't really want to do it too tight. So yeah. And then you have a wig. And this is like so cute. I really love the headband wigs. Like, it's really easy to use, easy to manage. You could get a straight wig if you have straight hair. It doesn't really matter. So right now, let me just style this and show you what you could do with the hair. I have an ordinary headband here. It's just a zebra headband that you could like just place over here. So let me get close. They have a headband. This is the black headband. It could stretch. It could be bigger. It could be wider. If you like wider headbands. I kind of really don't like that kind of look. I like the little small headband look. But like I said, you could leave more hair out if you want to. And then you could just put whatever, like your favorite headband, over the wig, over the other black band. So whatever color you want, whatever color you feeling, you know, and you're just gonna have your wig, you know, and just go with your business. So I'm just gonna wet this a little bit. So I personally, I think I put too much water and stuff on it. I just like a messy, curly look. So I could wear it like a messy out, just like this, you know. Or I could wear it like I said, if you're going to the gym and you want to wear this hair, say you have longer hair, you could like just get a clip and just pin it up like so. You know, you have a cute little look. You could just pin it up and just go to the gym. The hair's not in your face, nothing. People wouldn't even know. Like, they wouldn't know. They wouldn't know. They wouldn't know that it's like not your hair, honey. And then you could do like, if you want to be like a little girly and playful, you know, whatever, you could like do a little situation, because this is your hair. It's your hair. So like this, you could do like a little half up, half down situation and everything, you know. But for right now, I'm just gonna have this down. And yeah, so this is the headband wig. It's very easy to use. I love it. It's so cute. And it's just so everyday. I honestly would not wear the headband wig with a headband though. Well, not this one. I don't like this one. I kind of like the black look. I like black. So basically, this is how you put on a headband wig. And what is a headband wig? I personally strongly would suggest a headband wig. They are so inexpensive. They could last you really long. Like, you don't have no lace to worry about. You don't have no glue to worry about. It's just a headband on a wig. Like, you could wear this so many times and not have to worry about bleaching no lace, bleaching no knots, all that other good stuff. Like, you just don't have to worry about it. And yeah, so the link, if you want to get a headband wig and you live in the Bahamas and you want to get a headband wig, check out Hair2Go 242 on Instagram and Hair2Go on Facebook. I will have all the links down below so you could go directly to that page. And yeah, so, and I'll have the flyer up on the side of me. Yeah, I'll have it up while I'm talking. Yeah, so you can check out their prices. Really good customer service. And I promise you, like, you just won't regret it. Like, if you know me, you know that this is like my couple time wearing this one headband wig. But I just couldn't wait to share with you guys someone that actually has it over here for you guys to purchase, because a lot of people was like asking me about it. So now, what you waiting on? Why are you even still here? Like, why haven't you clicked off this video yet? But anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy. As usual, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the bell so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. Get into this wig.